Welcome to Daman-e-Koh, a stunning hilltop garden situated north of Islamabad, in the heart of the Margalla Hills. The name Daman-e-Koh is derived from two Persian words meaning foothills. This picturesque spot is 500 feet above Islamabad, offering breathtaking views and a serene escape. As we take a short walk from the car park, along wide roads flanked by tall trees and lush bushes, you move to the main viewpoint. Daman-e-Koh is also a favorite destination for families and children. It is a delightful spot for kids to enjoy. And for a quick bite, there is small market and food spots serving a variety of things. The greenery here is very well maintained, with a perfect blend of green and brown landscapes, accented by white flowers and lush bushes. This natural beauty is a testament to the care and effort put into preserving the environment. The visitors can also enjoy horse and camel rides, adding an element of fun and adventure to their visit. You will find a lot of monkeys in Daman-e-Koh too, but try to keep an eye out for them. These playful creatures are known to snatch food from the visitors. Another prominent aspect of Daman-e-Koh is that it is beautifully adorned with street lights. This makes the view exceptional at night. Not only this, but from the southern viewpoint, you can see a panoramic view of Islamabad, including landmarks like Faisal Mosque, ISE Tower, Ufone Tower, 7th Avenue, and even Rawal Lake. For a closer look, observational telescope is available, and a large sign displays an authentic map of Islamabad, enhancing the experience for visitors. Daman-e-Koh is the perfect blend of green bushes and trees, adorned with purple and white blossoms, which make the surroundings truly admirable. The lush greenery, fresh breeze, and stunning views make Daman-e-Koh a must-visit. So, take a walk on your own and immerse yourself in the beauty and tranquility of Daman-e-Koh. With its breathtaking views and serene atmosphere, it is an experience you will cherish.